Good morning. Let's see how to do this third question in week 1 using AutoCAD software. I have already opened the AutoCAD software. So the first step what we have to do with respect to AutoCAD is that first define your units, type units in the command box. You'll get options to change the units. So it is always preferred to use millimeters for your diagrams. Next step is we have to set the limits. So the command for limits is just type limits. It will ask you to specify the lower left corner. It is 0, 0, and the upper right corner as per your screen size requirement. You can define the upper right corner. Let us say 1000, 1000. Once the limit is set, press zoom all so that all the images or the diagrams which are you're drawing is fit inside the screen. So let's see how to do this question number 3. If you observe the question, you can see that they have asked us to draw these polygons and then a line. Let's see how to do that. For drawing a line, just use the line command. Just type line. Okay, before that, it is recommended to switch on ortho, which will help us to make only straight lines. Click on, type line, then specify first point. I'm randomly selecting a point, and if you let's check what is the dimension. I think 30. So first point I have specified. So when you are asked to specify the next point, you can use directly the dimension as 30. So you'll get a line for 30 mm. Okay. So the thing is, we have to give the notation also. In order to give the notation, use text command. Type text. We have to specify a start point. Let us specify a start point somewhere here, and this height I'm typing it as 4, and the angle 0 as we are writing from the left to right. Then press enter. It will ask you to type. So I'm typing A and B. Okay, so I'm interested to just specify the corner as A and B. So I have just typed A and B. Now we have to move this A and B to the corner. So just select the A and drag it to the corner. Now you can see that we are not able to move the alphabet in inclined manner as the ortho command is on. So before doing that, you just use the ortho command to switch off ortho mode. Now you can just select the alphabet, drag the alphabet and place it here. Likewise, drag this B, select it and then drag. Okay, then you can just position it correctly. Next, you can use a dimension option to specify the dimension. You can see there is an option to give us linear dimension. So click on linear, select the 2 corner points. Okay, so this is how you have to draw a line and give the notations to the corner points, and how we have seen how to give the dimensions. So next they have told us to draw the same line in vertical manner. Same procedure, just select a first point, bring it down and give the dimension as 30. Very simple. Similarly, you can just give the dimension. Okay, so very simple. And similarly, we have to give the notation for the corner points. Next, we'll see how to construct a square. Just type line. I'll again switch on ortho mode so that I can just draw only straight lines. Type line. The size of the square is also 30, so we'll just draw a line for 30. Again another 30. Just change the direction. Automatically you'll get the lines in that particular direction. Okay, so again dimension. Okay, so next they have asked us to create a rectangle of dimension 30 by 50. Okay, 30 by 50. So same procedure, use line command, specify the first point, We'll see the dimension again. It is 50, right? So just draw a line for 50 mm, then again 30 mm, 50, 30. Okay, you can just give the dimensions as we did for the square. This length is 50. Similarly, this length is 30. Okay, next we have to create a polygons. So for that you just type polygon. Okay, it is asking us to specify number of sides. Let us first try to draw a hexagon. So I'll just give the number of sides as 6, then enter. It will ask you to specify center of the polygon or edge. In this case I'll just select edge. Okay, it is asking us to specify the first endpoint. Let's check the dimension of the hexagon. It is 30 only, so no problem. So I'm just specifying a first point, and it is asking us to specify the second endpoint. Just type 30 because we know the size of the hexagon is 30. Just type 30. You will get hexagon. Similarly, we have to create for pentagon. Again, the same command, polygon. Number of sides is 5. Press enter. Again, select edge. Okay, let's see the dimension of the pentagon. It is also 30. So just specify one point and specify the second point as at a distance of 30. You'll get the pentagon. Okay, so this is how we have to create hexagon and pentagon. Let's see how to create a triangle also. So just type polygon. Let's create edge, first point, and 30. Okay, very simple. And the last one is, I think, circle. Just type circle. It is asking us to specify the center point. Before that, let me check what is the radius. Radius is 30. So just we have to specify the center point, and you can see it is asking us to specify the radius of the circle. Just type 30. Okay, so now we'll just give the dimensions. Okay, you can see there is an option for us to directly give the radius. So select radius here, select the circle, then you can just extend the line wherever you want. Okay, you can then zoom in and check. The dimension is 30. That is, radius of the circle is 30. Similarly, for all the drawn polygon, you can specify the dimension. Okay, then for hexagon, we have to just pick the corner point. Okay, so we have given all the dimension. If you want, you can fit it or zoom in. Just zoom in and see. Okay, just zoom in and check the individual diagrams. You can see, and you have to give the notation for all the corner points as I did for the first line. Like, let me show an example for this pentagon. So type text. There are 5 corner points that we have to specify. It is asking us to specify start point. Let me just randomly select a start point. Let me increase the text height to 10. Angle is 0 as we are writing from left to right. Then enter. Just type A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 5 is enough. Okay, the next we have to just select this alphabet and move to the corner. Okay, before that, just switch off ortho mode. Okay, just select the alphabet, move here. Then again, just select the alphabet and position in the correct location. You have to follow the same procedure for marking the corners of all the geometrical forms which you have created. I am just giving an example how to do. Okay, repeat the same procedure for triangle, hexagon, everything. Sorry. Just select the alphabet. Okay, so this is how you have to mark the corner points. Mark is there for marking the corner points as well as giving the dimensions. So kindly follow the step for all the geometrical forms which you have created. Okay, thank you.